Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our half a cup of sago pearls by soaking them in 1.5 cups of water for 2 to 3 hours. This step is crucial because proper soaking ensures the pearls become soft and translucent. You'll know they're ready when they've doubled in size and feel tender when pressed gently. Next, take 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder and mix it with half a cup of milk until completely smooth. This is where attention to detail matters. Keep stirring until you don't see any lumps at all. You'll know it's perfect when the mixture has a silky, paint-like consistency. Now, pour the remaining 3 cups of milk into a pan and add those beautiful 10 to 12 saffron strands along with our soaked sago pearls. Cook this on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring gently. The sago pearls will start becoming transparent. That's your visual cue that things are going well. Time to add some sweetness. Pour in a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, continuing to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring gently. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken slightly. The aroma of vanilla and saffron will tell you everything's coming together perfectly. Let's add some crunch and aromatic spices to our custard. Mix in 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds and cashews, along with 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. The nuts will start to soften slightly while releasing their natural oils, adding wonderful texture and flavor to our dessert. Here comes the crucial thickening step. Add your prepared custard mixture to the pan and stir continuously. This is where patience pays off. Keep stirring until you see the mixture coat the back of your spoon. When you run your finger across the spoon, it should leave a clean line that holds its shape. Finally, it's time for the fun part, assembling our dessert. Layer 1 cup of your favorite assorted fruits with the sago custard in serving dishes. Add a teaspoon of rose water for that final touch of elegance. You'll want the layers to be visible through the glass. It's not just about taste, but presentation too. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.